kundi ang matapang, may integridad, at ang ating kagalang-galang, walang iba po, Dr. Lawrence L. Garcia.
My dear Cebu Normal University family, maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Let us give ourselves the loudest applause for we have attained this day today on the second day of February 2026. You have a new president. There's no place like home. In that same movie, there's another song, For Good. The line has stayed with me because I knew you, I have been changed for good. Today, those words feel deeply personal as I stand before you as your new university president. I do so with a full heart, knowing that this moment did not happen because of one person, but because of many hearts that believed, hoped, worked, and prayed together. CNU is home. It has been my home as a teacher, a dean, a colleague, a learner, and now, through your trust, my home as a president. This leadership came from no other place but only Cebu Normal University. A leadership that listens, that is grounded in evidence and guided by compassion. A leadership that never forgets the sacrifices made by those who believe in this home. And today, I ask for something very close to my heart. Please continue to pray for Cebu Normal University.